Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve your speaking skill, how to use present perfect tense and simple past tense. To improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. You should also try to memorize it and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some questions about it. Now please listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence. Jen is working in the office. One of the secretaries has just arrived to work. She is late. Her boss often comes late too. Is my boss here? She is asking Jin. Yes, he is. Jin is replying. He was very early today. When he came here, he noticed you that you weren't here. Well, do you remember the story? Now please answer my questions. Question number 1. Is Jin working in the office? Question number 2. Who is late here? Question number 3. Was her boss very early today? Well, I hope that this video is very useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching.